I joined yoga because I had certain back problems.
Yoga is a good combination of body and mind.
I joined Health First to reduce my level of anxiety and all in all mental and physical well-being.
योगा मैंने मेरा बैक पेन था, गाड़ी चला रहा था, उसके लिए ज्वाइन किया था.
I joined yoga to improve my posture and reduce my anxiety.
I have joined yoga because I am a diabetic and a thyroid patient.
I was having back pain and knee pain, so doctor advised me to join yoga.
I choose yoga for flexibility,
which was really helping me for good form of exercises, stamina and aches and pains and all what I was suffering with my age.
I joined yoga for both mental and physical fitness.
I joined yoga due to my thyroid and back pain problem.
I have been doing yoga since the last 7-8 years with Dr. Smita, and I'm finding a lot of difference in my back, and I'm now leading a pain-free life.
For me, yoga is life. Yoga has made me evolve. It has made me feel complete and happy.
I was able to find peace within myself, and that helped me to reduce anxiety.
योगा ज्वाइन करने के बाद जो मेरी डायबिटिक है और थायराइड है वो काफ़ी कंट्रोल है और अभी तक की जितने भी पैथोलॉजी टेस्ट कराया है वो सब में अभी तक रिपोर्ट नॉर्मल आई है.
By doing yoga, the back pain and knee pain is drastically reduced, and the intake of medicine also reduced.
Even in the last 5 months, I have improved tremendously so that I could even take a 10-day safari in Madhya Pradesh without any difficulty.
After joining yoga, all my pains have gone. My thyroid problem has been solved. Back pain is no more with me, so I'm enjoying my pain-free life.
Yoga is a discipline which we should practice in our life.
I have attended yoga classes in Bombay in Cavalier Dham and Yoga Institute. Both are very good, of course, but one difference which I find here in Health First is there is tremendous emphasis on every part of the body whenever you are doing any asana, which in my mind is extremely important because then it yields better results.
What I like about Smita's teaching style is that she uses props, various props like ropes, chairs, bolsters, wooden blocks, belts. That helps in achieving a good stretch in the right way.
Smita is incredible. Her focus in the class for each and every student, even if she is focusing to one student, she can see other people what they are doing and where they have to correct themselves, and she gives each and everybody lot of personal attention.
She is a very dedicated soul. She gets into detail and sees whether every asana is executed properly and in its correct posture or not.
She is very much inclined toward perfectionism, and she pays attention to every individual, which is the best thing.
Dr. Smita has tremendous amount of patience.
She believes in perfection.
Madam is very versatile.
मैडम योगिक लाइफ ही जीती है.
Dr. Smita Gautam is very innovative, and she is blessed with a healing touch.
Dr. Smita has pushed us out of our comfort zone, and she has made us go where we were never thought of going.